The year was 1962. It was a time of change and new beginnings, a period when dreams were pursued with relentless passion. John and Mary, a young couple with calloused hands and hearts full of dreams, took a leap of faith. They were driven by a shared vision and a deep love for the land. On a small plot of land in the heart of the Saskatchewan prairies, they started a humble chicken farm. The vast, open landscape was both daunting and inspiring, a blank canvas for their aspirations. John, a skilled carpenter, built their first coop with his own two hands. Each nail hammered and each plank placed was a testament to his dedication and craftsmanship. Mary, with her gentle touch and deep love for animals, tended to their small flock of chickens like they were family. She knew each bird by name and cared for them with unwavering devotion. Their vision was simple: to raise healthy, happy chickens and provide their community with fresh, wholesome food. They believed in sustainable farming and the importance of quality over quantity. Little did they know, their little farm held the seeds of something much bigger. Over the years, their dedication and hard work would transform their modest beginnings into a thriving enterprise, touching the lives of many and leaving a lasting legacy in the community. Sunrise on the Saskatchewan farm heralds a flurry of activity. The golden hues of dawn spread across the fields, signaling the start of a new day filled with promise and hard work. As the first rays of dawn paint the sky, John and Mary's grandchildren, now the stewards of the family legacy, are already hard at work. They move with purpose and dedication, embodying the spirit of generations past while looking towards the future. The chickens are greeted with fresh water and a nutritious breakfast of locally sourced grains. This careful selection of feed ensures that the chickens receive all the essential nutrients they need to thrive. The coops are cleaned and sanitized, ensuring a healthy and comfortable environment for the birds. Regular maintenance and attention to detail are key to preventing disease and promoting overall well-being. Outdoor access is a priority. Each morning, the coop doors are opened, and the chickens eagerly make their way outside. The chickens spend their days exploring spacious outdoor runs, basking in the sunshine, and pecking at the earth. This natural behavior is crucial for their mental and physical health. The farm's commitment to free-range practices ensures that the chickens live happy, stress-free lives, which translates into healthier, tastier meat and eggs. By allowing the chickens to roam freely, the farm not only supports animal welfare but also contributes to sustainable farming practices that benefit the environment and the community. The farm's dedication to quality extends beyond the coops. Their on-site, state-of-the-art processing facility adheres to the highest industry standards. Every step of the process, from humane harvesting to packaging, is carefully monitored to ensure the freshest, safest, and most delicious chicken products reach consumers' tables. The farm takes pride in its transparent and traceable practices. Consumers can trace their chicken back to the very flock it came from, reinforcing the farm's commitment to accountability and building trust with their customers. The farm's egg production is a testament to their commitment to diversity and sustainability. A variety of heritage chicken breeds, each chosen for their unique egg-laying capabilities, roam the farm. This results in a rainbow of egg colors and flavors, from classic brown and white to beautiful blue and olive green eggs. The hens are fed a carefully balanced diet, free from antibiotics and hormones, ensuring that the eggs are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. The farm's dedication to sustainable practices extends to its egg production, making it a favorite among health-conscious consumers. While deeply rooted in tradition, the farm embraces innovation. Solar panels line the roofs of the coops and processing facilities, harnessing the power of the Saskatchewan sun to reduce their carbon footprint. Automated feeding and watering systems ensure the chickens' needs are met efficiently, while sensors monitor temperature and humidity levels, creating the optimal environment for the birds. This blend Blend of traditional farming practices and cutting-edge technology allows the farm to maximize efficiency, minimize waste, and reduce its environmental impact, setting a new standard for sustainable poultry farming. What started as a local operation selling door-to-door and at the local farmers market has blossomed into a nationally recognized brand. The farm's commitment to quality, sustainability, and humane treatment of animals has resonated with consumers across the country. Their products can now be found in grocery stores and restaurants from coast to coast, bringing a taste of the Saskatchewan prairies to tables across Canada. Despite their national success, the farm remains true to its roots. They continue to prioritize relationships with local businesses and actively participate in community events, staying connected to the land and the people they serve. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword for this Saskatchewan farm, it's a way of life. They understand that caring for the land is essential to their success and the well-being of future generations. The farm employs a closed-loop system, utilizing chicken manure as a natural fertilizer for their fields, minimizing waste and enriching the soil. Water conservation is a top priority. The farm has implemented rainwater harvesting systems and utilizes drip irrigation techniques to reduce water usage and minimize their environmental impact. They are actively involved in habitat restoration projects, planting trees and creating pollinator-friendly gardens on their land. Beyond the Farmgate community engagement and support, the farm believes in giving back to the community that has supported them from the beginning. They host regular farm tours, educating the public about sustainable farming practices and the importance of knowing where their food comes from. They partner with local schools, offering educational programs about agriculture and healthy eating habits. The farm is a strong supporter of local food banks, donating surplus products to ensure that everyone in their community has access to nutritious food. Their commitment to community engagement has made them more than just a business. They are a valued member of the Saskatchewan community. A recipe for success, quality, transparency, and trust. The Saskatchewan Chicken Farm's journey from humble beginnings to national success is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a commitment to core values. Their unwavering focus on quality, transparency, and sustainability has earned them the trust of consumers and made them a leader in the Canadian agricultural landscape. They have proven that it is possible to run a profitable and ethical business while staying true to their principles. Their success story serves as an inspiration to aspiring farmers and a shining example of the positive impact sustainable agriculture can have on our communities and our planet. Spreading their wings, expansion with a conscience. As demand for their ethically sourced products continues to grow rapidly, the farm is carefully considering thoughtful plans for expansion. True to their unwavering commitment to sustainability, any expansion will be undertaken with the utmost respect for the environment and the well-being of their chickens. They are exploring innovative co-op designs that maximize energy efficiency and minimize waste. They are committed to preserving the natural beauty of their land and ensuring that their farming practices remain in harmony with the surrounding ecosystem. The future is local, a legacy of sustainable farming. This is a story of resilience, innovation, and a deep-rooted connection to the land. The Saskatchewan Chicken Farm stands as a beacon of hope for the future of agriculture. Nestled in the heart of the prairies, this farm is more than just a place where food is produced. It is a living testament to the power of sustainable farming practices. They have shown that it is possible to produce high-quality food in a way that is good for the animals, good for the environment, and good for the people who live and work there. The farm employs innovative techniques such as rotational grazing, organic feed, and renewable energy sources like solar panels to minimize its carbon footprint, and good for the community. The farm's produce is sold locally, ensuring that the community has access to fresh, nutritious food. This not only supports the local economy, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose. As they look to the future, their commitment to sustainable practices and their dedication to their core values remain unwavering. They are constantly exploring new methods to improve soil health, conserve water, and enhance biodiversity on the farm. The legacy started by John and Mary, those young dreamers who took a chance on a small plot of Saskatchewan land, has grown into a thriving enterprise. Their vision was simple yet profound: to create a farm that was in harmony with nature and beneficial to the community, is now in the hands of the next generation. The family has embraced this legacy with open arms, bringing fresh ideas and renewed energy to the farm. They are committed to preserving the values and practices that have made the farm a success, while also adapting to the challenges and opportunities of the modern world. With the same passion, work ethic, and commitment to sustainability, the new generation is poised to take the farm to new heights. They are not just maintaining the farm, they are innovating and expanding, ensuring that it remains a model of sustainable agriculture. They are poised to continue writing the story of this remarkable farm, adding new chapters that reflect their own experiences and aspirations. They are dedicated to maintaining the farm's reputation for ethical and sustainable farming practices, ensuring that its legacy of ethical and sustainable farming continues for generations to come. This farm is not just a place, it is a living, breathing example of what is possible when people work together with respect for the land and each other.